Go, it's filming. This is Brian swimming in the creek at Natural Bridge. I can't believe he's doing this. Oh gosh. This is the creek he's swimming in. There's a little bridge up there. Natural Bridge is over there. Take a video of Brian. Do you want me to have video of you undressing?
Yes. That's why we're doing this. We're making money.
Oh my gosh.
Hershey, what's up?
Hershey's here. Yay! Ah! Hershey!
Hey, Mom, for the record, I took my socks off. I took my socks off, Mom.
Brian's mom. Brian took his socks off. He wears socks. Oh my gosh.
Luckily, my phone got wet earlier, so...
Do you have a wallet or anything?
No, I have a wallet.
Okay. This is unbelievable.
Not little thing.
This is ridiculous. Ryan! Smile! Wave! Oh my gosh. If only you could see the look on his face from close up.
Good morning, good night.
How cold is it?
It's very cold. Ice cold. How cold? Ice cold.
Oh my gosh. Alright, put your clothes on.
Yeah, I want you to take a photo of me out there.
Okay. What? No, I'm getting a video.
The photo is sexier. It's like, oh my gosh.
No, you're good.
Okay, stop the video now.